Hello, everyone. Have you ever thought that sheep, with their gentle, small, and peaceful appearance, resembling fluffy white clouds floating serenely across the grasslands, could bring significant economic value? Beyond just providing meat, these sheep also offer us soft wool and nutritious milk. Today, I'll take you to a sheep farm in New Zealand, where these clouds freely graze and undergo a natural care process. Together, we'll explore how wool is gathered, milk is harvested, and meat is produced in the most humane way possible. Now, let's begin this exciting journey. First, I want to introduce everyone to this sheep farm, a place built with love for nature and the wild lives of sheep. Nestled in a vast, lush, mountainous landscape, the farm opens up a spacious, fresh environment where the sheep can live freely and enjoy being close to nature. Here, the sheep aren't kept cooped up in cramped pens. Instead, they roam naturally on the vibrant green fields, munching on grass, meandering on the hills, and gazing at the wide sky. In the afternoon, the farmer, along with the dogs, herds them back to the pen, where they are fed completely natural grass and grains, which not only enhances the quality of their wool, milk, and meat, but also brings peace and happiness to every step they take freely. This farm truly is a little paradise, where humans and nature blend together, taking care of each adorable life. Next, let's learn about the wool gathering process. Once the wool is long enough and meets the standards, the sheep are gently led by workers to the shearing area. To ensure the sheep feel at ease, this process is done gently and safely. The sheep remain calm as workers carefully trim the wool, as if they're relieved of a burden. Shearing not only keeps them cooler in the summer, but also provides a valuable source of wool for textile products. After harvesting, the wool undergoes several steps to become high-quality yarn. First, it is cleaned to remove impurities and dirt. Then, each strand of wool is straightened, spun into long, soft yarn. From here, the yarn goes through a weaving process to create a variety of products such as sweaters, scarves, blankets, and many other items. These products are not only visually appealing, but also provide excellent warmth, making them highly popular. Besides wool, sheep milk is also a very nutritious and valuable product. Rich in protein, beneficial fats, and numerous health-boosting nutrients, sheep milk offers exceptional benefits. After lambing for a few weeks, the mother sheep are taken to the milking area. Here, workers carefully clean and inspect the milk quality to ensure it consistently meets the highest standards. Once collected, the milk is transported to factories for processing into premium sheep milk products, supplying abundant nutrients to consumers. When the milk arrives at the factory, it goes through filtering and pasteurization to eliminate bacteria and unwanted impurities. while still preserving important natural nutrients. Next, the milk is adjusted and supplemented with additional components if needed. Then it moves on to the homogenization stage, which gives the milk a smooth consistency and uniform flavor. Finally, there's the packaging stage, where the milk is poured into thoroughly sterilized bottles, cartons, or packaging. These milk bottles are sealed tightly, then labeled with information about the expiration date, source, and nutritional value before being distributed to consumers. The entire production process is closed-loop, ensuring hygiene and food safety, so each product meets the highest quality standards and provides peace of mind for users. Finally, we cannot overlook the lamb meat production process. Lamb is not only a delicious food, but also rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals. It is a common ingredient in many cuisines worldwide, including in countries like China, India, and Myanmar. When sheep reach the standard weight, they are taken to the meat processing plant. Here, the entire process, from slaughtering to packaging, is conducted humanely and under strict sanitary measures, using modern machinery to ensure food safety and quality for consumers. In this way, sheep are not just gentle and adorable animals, they also provide diverse resources, from wool and milk to meat, bringing significant economic value to humans. I hope that through this video, you've gained a deeper understanding of the processes involved in rearing and producing sheep products. Let's cherish and appreciate these friendly animals, reducing unnecessary slaughter, and instead utilizing their natural products like wool and milk for sustainable value. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to motivate me to create more beneficial content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.